Hello, kids! I'm Captain AHS. Did you know shapes are like the secret building blocks of everything around us? Let's discover the wonders of circles, squares, and more.
Saro, the map says the treasure is near something round. Do you see anything?
Maybe it's that big tree over there. Let's check behind it.
Oh no, we've been spotted.
What? You're not treasure, you're shapes? And you're alive. Who are you?
We're the Shape Friends. I'm Trixie the Triangle, the sharpest of them all.
And I'm Curly the Circle, the smooth and round one who loves to roll.
I'm Sammy the Square, strong and steady, you can count on me.
And I'm Ruby the Rectangle, Sammy's taller cousin. I'm great at holding big things together.
Wow! You're all so different. What are you doing here?
We were supposed to go to the big shape parade to show how shapes create everything around us, but we got lost.
Don't worry. We can help you. But first, can you tell us how shapes create things?
Of course.
Look at the wheels on that bicycle. That's my work. Circles are perfect for rolling. From wheels to balls and even the earth.
The Earth is a giant circle. That's so cool, Curly!
And that table over there? That's me. Squares are strong and steady, so we're great for flat surfaces. You can find me in tiles on the floor, chessboards, and even your favorite picture frames.
Sammy, you're everywhere. I can even see squares in the windows of that big building over there. You must be the boss of all shapes. Sammy, do you think I can use you to build a giant castle? It'll have square walls, square floors, and even square pillows.
Of course. Squares love to be the foundation of everything solid.
Don't forget about me. Triangles are the best for roofs and bridges. My sharp sides make everything strong, like the roofs of houses, the sails of boats, and even the supports in tall towers.
Wow, Trixie! You're like a superhero saving buildings. I bet even the Eiffel Tower has you in it. Trixie, can I build a kite with you? I'll use you as the frame and make it fly higher than the clouds.
That's what I'm here for, flying kites, building bridges, and making everything stand tall.
And I'm everywhere too. Doors, windows, and even slides are rectangles. I'm just a stretched out square. You'll also see me in books, phone screens, and big billboards on the roads.
Ruby, you're like the superstar of rectangles. Every time I go inside a house, I use you as a door. You're the entry to all the fun. And don't forget, Ruby, I see you every time I use my tablet to watch cartoons. Without you, I couldn't play games or watch my favorite shows.
Well, I try to be useful. I love being everywhere, from playgrounds to giant movie screens.
Shapes really are everywhere. The wheels on the bikes are circles. The seesaw is a long rectangle. And even the flag on the pole is a triangle. How do you all work together to create things?
That's the fun part. When we combine our shapes, we can build almost anything. Houses, playgrounds, cars, and even pictures of the earth.
Wow! Let's make a playground!
Now it's the time for quiz. Which shape has 3 sides? Option A, triangle. Option B, square. Option A is correct and shows a shape with corners and 3 straight sides. Which picture shows a shape with no sides or corners? Option A, a box. Option B, a ball. A shape with no sides is round like a wheel. Option B is correct. Excellent. Which picture shows something shaped like a rectangle? Option A, a book. Option B, a pizza slice. Look for an object with 4 sides, where opposite sides are equal. Good job! Option A is correct. A square has 4 equal sides. Is this statement true or false? Perfect! This statement is true. All sides of a square are the same length. A triangle can have more than 3 corners. Is this statement true or false? Yes, this statement is false. Good job, kids! Next time, we'll be sketching circles, squares, and all kinds of cool shapes together. Grab your pencils, and let's get creative!